Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss some Indian history questions for your upcoming exam. So first is the university which became famous in the post Gupta era, that was Nalanda. Next is Banbhatto was the court poet of which emperor? It is Harshavardhan. What inspired the paintings of Ajanta? That is Compassionate of Buddha. Coins made of metal first appeared in at the age of Buddha. Next is which caves are a network of sculpture caves located in Mumbai harbor? We know it is Elephanta Cave. Next is Mahabalipuram was founded by Narasimha Varman. The Kailasnath temple, that is Shiv temple at Kanchipuram, containing sculpture with painting in the inner wall, was built by Narasimha Varman of Pallab king. The famous rock cut temple of Kailash is at Ellora. The title Indian Napoleon has been attached to Samudragupta. Next question is the Rathos of Mahabalipuram was built during the reign of Pallab kings. Which was the only Hindu site with an artificial brick dockyard? We know that is Lothal. The number system 0 was invented by Aryabhatta in 1975. Next is most of the Chol temples were dedicated to Shiv. Buddha means the enlightened one. Next is name the capital of the Pallabs, that is Kanchi. Name the clan Buddha belonged to. He belonged to Shakko. Next is the title of Gangaikonda was adopted by which Chola king? It is Rajendra I. During which Gupta king's reign did the Chinese traveler Fayan visit India? Chandragupta II. The people of Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of Paka bricks. Pillared halls where Buddhist monks worshipped were known as Choitos. Stories of Buddha's birth and his previous lives are contained in Jataka tales. Mention the place where Buddha attained enlightenment, that is in Bodh Gaya. The Greek ambassador sent to Chandragupta Maurya's court was Seleucus. At which location a sculpture of chariot of Harappan time was found? At Doimabad. Remember Doimabad in Maharashtra. Which one of the following was the last Buddhist text produced in India? Vamsata Pakshini. Arthashastra was written by Kautilya. Worship of Mother Goddess was associated with Indus Valley civilization. Alexander and Porus battle at Hydaspes. Identify the Buddhist literature from the following. It is Tripitaka. Seleucus Nicator was defeated by Chandragupta Maurya. The striking feature of Indus Valley civilization is urban civilization. After Alexander's death, eastern part of his empire is under Seleucus Nicator. The early Buddhist scriptures were composed in Pali text. In Mohenjo-daro, the largest building was the Great Granary. The caste system of India was created for occupational division of labor. Bindusara sent Ashoka to quell the rebellion in Ujjain. We know Ashok was the governor of Ujjain. In Indus Valley civilization, Kalibangan is famous for which of the following? That is for pottery works. Which language was mostly used for the propagation of Buddhism? That is Pali. Who among the following was one of the discoverers of Indus Valley civilization? This is Dayaram Shahani. Buddha gave his first religious message at Sarnath. The origins of Indian music could be traced to Samveda. Magical charms and spells are given in which of the following Vedas? Atharva Veda. The Gupta era was started by whom? Srigupta. Which museum houses the largest collection in Kushan sculpture? I think that is Bombay Museum. It can be wrong, so please check in Google. Okay. In Indus Valley civilization, Dholavira is famous for water conservation. In Indus Valley civilization, Great Bath is found in Mohenjo-daro. Takshila University is located in Pakistan. Which ruler founded the famous Vikramshila University? Answer is Dharmapal. Who wrote Nyashotra? Answer is Gautam. Who discovered the sea route to India? That is Vasco da Gama in the year of 1498. So I have discussed this for 50 questions from history. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.